White tea is good for you in many ways, and not just chefs but also medical researchers say so. In fact, white tea has many different kinds of health benefits, and we'll look at some of them. But first, we'll give you a short description of what white tea is. It is made from young tea leaves that are picked from the plant before the buds have fully opened. The silver fuzz that still covers the buds gives the tea its name, and as the tea dries, the silver fuzz turns the tea white. There are many different kinds of white tea, and which one you get depends on how many leaves and how many buds are in each blend. The white peony, for example, has one bud for every 2 leaves, while the top of the line silver needles is made entirely from down buds, which are usually picked within 2 days in early spring. Now that we've talked about what white tea is, we'll move on to the different benefits that can come from using it. 1. Effects against viruses and bacteria. Studies done at Pace University suggest that white tea extract may have preventive uses that can help slow the growth of bacteria that can cause staphylococcus infections, streptococcus infections, pneumonia, and dental caries. It was also found that white tea is better than green tea at killing viruses and bacteria and that it can stop human pathogenic viruses from spreading. 2. Antifungal effect. Studies show that this kills Penicillium chrysogenum and Saccharomyces cerevisiae. It was found that these were completely turned off when white tea extract was present. 3. How to protect against skin cancer and cell damage. Scientists have now found that an extract of white tea can protect against the death of Langerhans cells. It was found that not only did the extract protect skin after being in the sun, but it also helped restore a person's immune system. They also found that there wasn't much damage to the DNA of cells that had been in the sun. Antioxidant properties in the white tea extract are thought to be the reason why it works so well. It has also been said that the extract might help slow down the aging process. As you can see, there are many ways that white tea can help a person live a healthier and happier life.